Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove password from Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here to remove our password here in our store, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is basically just go here into online store at the left side, click on online store, and from here you should be seeing this right here. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see here, you see your online store is password protected. To remove the password, you need to pick a plan. So if you're just in a free trial, there is no way that you can remove the password right here on your store. So in order for you to remove that, click here on pick a plan. And from here, you would need to buy one of these plans right here. As you can see, it is only costing me $1 for each plan right here, which I choose. So what I suggest is that you go into the description of this video and you'll find a link there, and then you can use that in order for you to buy only $1 per month for the plans right here. Even if you go for advance, it doesn't matter, it's still $1 for a month. And I think that is pretty cheap in order for you to get started in your store right here in Shopify. And then from there you would be able to remove the password that is protecting your store right here. So yeah, that is the only way, and that is how you do it. So thank you for watching.